So how many positive integers on a number line are equally spaced from 10 and a negative integer? So look at the thing, we need to concentrate on the positive integer on a number line equally spaced from 10 and negative integer. Therefore, you have a 10, you have a negative integer, and the positive integer should be equally spaced from both 10 and negative integer. So let us try to draw the number line and visualize before we proceed solving the problem. So here is the number line. So what we want is a positive integer which is equally spaced from 10 and a negative integer. Okay, so 10 is one number and the positive integer should be somewhere in between exactly, and there should be a negative integer. So this positive integer, whatever is the gap here, from here to 10, it should be same. But the only thing is, it should be exactly between negative integer and 10. Okay, so therefore this positive integer should be between the negative integer and 10, and we have only positive integers from 1 to 9. But 9 cannot be the positive integer, because if you choose 9, 9 to 10, 9 to 8, they are equally spaced. So 8 and 10, but 8 is a positive integer. Similarly, if you are going to take 8, 8 to 10, 2 gap, so 8 to 6 is 2 gap. If you go 2 left, it's 6. 8 lies between 6 and 10, but 6 is positive. In fact, you can see that till 5, if you take 5, 5 to 10 is 5, 5 to 0 is also 5, but 0 is not a negative integer. Therefore, this positive integer cannot be 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5, because if you are going to choose those numbers, then the equally spaced other number will not be a negative integer but a positive integer. So if you are going to take 4, 4 is how much from 10? 4 is 6 away from 10, and if you go 6 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's going to be minus 2, which is a negative integer. So 4 satisfies this positive integer, but that is not the only number. Let us take 3. So 3 to 10, there is 7 gap, and then if you go 7 back, you are going to get a negative integer because you are going to cross. Similarly, you can verify for 2, you can verify for 1, and obviously 0 is not positive, negative. So these are the 4 positive integers which will satisfy the condition that it is equally spaced from 10 and a negative integer. We did not find the negative integer, but we know that from 4 you have a equally spaced negative integer like that to 10. Similarly, 3, 2 and 1. So how many positive integers are there? That is the question. The positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of positive integers is going to be 4. So if you draw the number line, you will get an idea. Without number line also you can get thing, but if you draw the number line and then if you visualize it, you can see that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not going to work, and therefore only 1, 2, 3, 4 will work, and these are the 4 integers. Therefore the number of positive integers that satisfies the given condition is 4, and that is the answer.